I guess what I'll keep with me forever is the importance of preparation. This was something that I learned and I really appreciated from this. And also on the day, just knowing that I'm allowed to be vulnerable and do whatever I need to get to where I need to go to, and that everyone around the set and everything is there to do their job, so then you just do what you have to do, kind of thing.
I think for me it was the freedom to fail. I got the opportunity to work with people that I am comfortable with and know and have been friends with for a long time. So being in that space gave me the freedom to feel like I could mess up, I could fail, and it would be okay. I felt like that really helped me as an actor be able to do better and enjoy it more. So I think I'll definitely be taking that with me as best I can to every next project.